Well, welcome to Epcot. January 3rd, 2015. I'm just start doing Epcot construction video. So I did some for Tron, and Tron's going to be opening soon in the next 2 months. So, in the sun right now. Wow. Yeah, I'll just start doing Epcot construction. There's lots going up. This is what this building's starting to look like here. This is over by the land. Not really much going up on the right, on the other side by the connections area. Lots of red screens. Part of it, there's a thing here. Not really anything happening on the bathrooms that are there though. Still nothing. I'm gonna take a monorail trip so we can see inside. There are some times I've seen that these restrooms aren't available, so let's not reopen those bathrooms then. But I don't think anytime soon. And the building extended out a little bit towards the walkway. Hello, Sunbelt. Yeah. That's what this side looks like. There are some white stuff along the side here and poles.
Okay. Where would you like to go?
So, more red stuff. There's a little thing there for the wall separating this building and Moana. And lots of trees. Trees. Another Christmas video that hasn't come out yet showing Tafiti for the first time. That's not out yet. But Tafiti's right there. You guys get to see her before the previous video. So this is what Moana's looking like. Lots of trees have been added.
Small, cute little one.
16-foot Tafiti. Mark with the squirrels over here. Lots of rocks. Mostly trees. I don't really know why that brown wall's there though. It's kind of weird. There we go. Okay. Here again. There's the squirrels.